it's me. Today is Darman Monday and we're gonna watch a video about a stinky rich kid who won't tip his pizza boy. Let's watch.
Hey there, that's gonna be $14.92.
Yeah. Mom, I need 20 bucks.
Make sure you tip him well.
There you go.
Thank you, and here you go. How much change would you like for that?
What is this?
Pepperoni and pineapple. Isn't that what you ordered?
Who puts pineapple on a pizza? Do I look like a sociopath? I asked for pepperoni.
I'm really sorry. Would you mind just taking off the pineapple, or I could also go back to the store?
I'm not gonna do your job for you. Go get me a new one.
Absolutely, I'm just gonna need to.
You guys like pineapple?
Yeah, I'll have some.
I love pineapple.
What? He took the pizza and he snatched his money back. Whoa, 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 whoa. This isn't how it works. You're gonna have to give me back one of them. Also, people these days like, oh, there's pineapple on my pizza. No problem, I'll just pick off the pineapple. But allegedly his homies love pineapple pizza.
I'm sorry, but can I get that pizza back? My boss is gonna make me pay for it if I don't.
Take another slice before I give it back. Here. And hurry up. I'm starving.
Wow. If you were starving, you would pick off the pineapple and eat the pizza. That's right in front of you. Stupid. This is Karen behavior.
Sure, I'll be back as soon as possible. Again, I am really, really sorry about...
Rude.
Did you leave him a nice tip?
No, I didn't even pay him. The moron put pineapple on my pizza. I told him to get me a new one.
Okay, Derek, we don't call people that.
What? He's a delivery driver. How hard is it to get a simple order right?
You know, if you put two brain cells together, he's the delivery driver. He just takes the pizza and brings it to the address. The people in the kitchen make the pizza. Also, why did you order a pineapple pizza? Honestly, it could be much worse. I ordered gluten-free and they gave me a regular. Will I starve or suffer the consequences? I didn't feel like sharding for the next 5 hours, so I starved, unfortunately.
You know, most jobs are harder than they look. You would know if you ever had one.
Whatever.
Besides, it probably wasn't even his fault.
I don't care. All I know is he better get it right this time.
Mother, this is when you realize you failed as a parent. Like, ugh, I raised that? She raised a mini Karen. Now, everybody gets to eat pizza except me. Wah!
Can't believe your mom's getting you a Beamer for your birthday.
Yep, we already ordered it. I got the metallic blue, just like that pic.
Wow.
Finally.
Spoiled! Now I see where this behavior comes from. If the baby doesn't get what he wants, he cries. Pizza's her.
Time.
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I was running a little bit late because I had a pothole on the way over here.
Spare me the details. At least you got it right this time.
Great. That'll be $14.90.
This pizza's frozen cold.
Oh
not
my
paying for this.
god.
Look, I'm really sorry, all right? I got a flat on the way over here and I had to run with my bike. You know what? Since it's my fault, I don't mind paying for it. But you could keep it and just maybe throw it in the oven or something.
I'm not cooking my own pizza. I don't care if it's free.
Oh, this is pissing me off. How hard is it to just throw it in the oven? For a little idiot like you, even the microwave for 30 seconds would suffice. Mother's home. Mommy, will you please heat up my pizza? I would have already felt bad that the driver had to inconvenience himself twice. I would have just been like, yeah, this is fine the first time.
Hurry up and get me a hot one before I call your manager and complain.
Of course, yeah.
Again? He sent him back again? My dude is on a flat tire. He had to drive his bike there. There is no way. This dude just stockpiling bad karma.
What'd I miss?
He's about to face off against Rhino.
Let's go.
He's eating the pizza. You just complained about it, bro. And here we are, caught in 4K, eating that frozen cold pizza.
Suns in 6?
No way. Not unless Devin Booker actually learns how to play defense.
I don't understand a thing they just said.
Hi, so
Hot pizza.
double
Which one's
checked
the
and I
charm,
made sure
right?
it's pepperoni. Also, I took an Uber on the way over here to make sure that it's nice and warm.
All this effort to get this spoiled little boy his warm pizza.
Jitney.
What do you mean?
Each slice usually has 3 pepperonis on it. This one only has 2.
Oh, I'm sure that just varies from pizza to pizza.
Fight me. I ain't going back there. I wouldn't have come back a third time. The fact that he took an Uber, used his own money to make this guy happy, unheard of. I'm gonna slap you if you don't pay up this time.
They would never intentionally do that.
You sure you didn't eat my pepperoni?
No, I would never.
Sorry, I got hungry on the way here. I just nibbled on a few pepperonis.
I'll take it, I guess.
I guess.
20.
Thanks. How much change would you like?
I'll take 5 back.
But the total comes out to be $14.92.
I know what the total is.
Oh my god.
You should feel lucky you're getting any tip at all with how bad your service is.
You're right. I'm really sorry about it.
No, you're not right, and no, I'm not sorry about this. Excuse me while I commit a crime. The fact that he went through all that trouble, this is his 3rd time coming to the house, and he's like, no, I'm not even gonna tip you. Are you not embarrassed? At a restaurant, if a waiter brings out my food and they messed up something, like, I'm embarrassed to be like, hey, you got this wrong, and can you give me a new one? Like, I'm allergic to this. I can't even eat this, and I will still feel bad that they had to inconvenience themselves. Whereas this dude gave him an 8-cent tip. Where did the change come from?
Did you just slam the door in that boy's face?
Yeah, but he deserved it.
Derek, that is not how we treat people.
Oh, mother, if you only know what your menace of a child has been doing.
Especially after he worked so hard to get your pizza right.
Well, if he would have just done it right the first time, he wouldn't have to keep coming back.
You see, that's what your problem is.
What are you talking about?
You think everything is so easy because you've never had to work hard for anything.
Mom, my friends are here. Can we just talk about this later?
No, we're gonna talk about this right now because you need to know and they need to know. Cancel his BMW! Make him get a job.
No, I think they should hear this. Well, you're sitting here watching TV all summer and complaining about how many slices of pepperoni are on each pizza slice. That boy is out there working hard. It's real easy for you to ask me for money, but it's a whole lot harder when you have to earn it yourself. Maybe you should get a job delivering pizzas so you can see how it is.
Yeah, like that would ever happen.
Yeah, like that'll ever happen. This is when Darman steps in like, so you see.
I
no
am
more TV.
serious. You don't know how hard someone's job is until you do it yourself.
It's real funny, Mom. Anyway, back to the game?
No, it's either that
It's either that or I bonk some sense into you.
or I take away your PS5, I take away your allowance, and you won't be getting a car for your birthday.
You can't do that. We already ordered it.
Well, I will just call the dealership and tell them I changed my mind. So, what's it going to be?
You can't lose that car,
What is
bro.
he gonna do?
Yeah, you're getting a Beamer. That's like insane.
Wow.
Just do whatever she says.
Fine. I'll get a job for a month, but that's it.
We'll see if you even last a week.
That's embarrassing.
Derek reluctantly agrees to get his first job.
Oh, she embarrassed me in front of my friends. It's alright, they don't deserve an opinion. They like pineapple on their pizza.
A few days
Aw.
later, he starts working at a local restaurant. His first
Hey, he's
assignment
working at
is
Pizza
to
Hut.
deliver pizzas.
Yeah.
Things seem to be going fine in the beginning. That is, until he starts to deal with rude customers. They get
Karen
upset
comes
about
along.
him getting the pizza wrong, how long it took to deliver, or bringing cold food, even though none of it was Derek's fault. Derek finally understands how difficult it is to have a job.
I can only imagine the customer complaining, like, this pizza's cold, I don't want it. Like, bro, that wasn't even my fault. They gave it to me like this. Oh, well now you realize. It ain't the delivery driver's fault. Just like it's not the waiter's fault. You walk into the kitchen and you blame the person in the kitchen. Don't actually do that.
Hey, honey. How was work?
It was alright.
Miserable, I hate my life.
I just got home.
Oh, I have to say, I am surprised at how long you've lasted. Are you hungry? I'll fix you some supper.
That's alright. I ordered us food. I got enough for both of us.
Okay, great. How much do I owe you?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me.
Wow.
Wow, my deadbeat son is finally learning to fend for himself. He even DoorDashed food. I'm so proud of him. Oh, is this guy.
Hey, I got your large pepperoni pizza.
With extra spit.
And don't worry, I double checked it this time, so.
This says pineapple on it.
Oh, you're joking.
I'm just kidding.
Ah, you can't do that. That was not funny.
Here's a 20. Keep the change.
Really?
I know how hard your job is. I felt really bad about the last time. Sorry about that.
Thanks. Really means a lot.
I'd be like, that's it? At 20? I busted my tire. I rode my bike to deliver your pizza. You still complained. I took an Uber out of my money. You gonna compensate me for that? Like, you're rich. He got money. Like, give this boy 100 or something.
It's like I don't even know who this new Derek is anymore.
Thanks,
Or
Mom.
maybe I'm not giving him
Let's
enough
eat.
credit, but that's just
Oh.
me.
And I was thinking,
Don't tell me you don't want the Beamer anymore.
now you're going way too far. I was just thinking maybe black instead.
Oh, yeah. I think black would be nice.
Wow, that means he's grown. I don't want metallic blue anymore. I want black. The order is already in. You can't change it. And they ate their pizza happily ever after. But anyway, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button in the face. And make sure you turn on notifications. Click, click. And make sure you check out Darman's channel in the description below. And subscribe to join the Wolfpack. Ow! I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.